Get ready to power up your electric vehicle the smart way with EVIQO EVIPOWER Level 2 J1772 EV Charger. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to install, operate, and optimize your EV charger effortlessly. About the product. The EVIQO Level 2 EV Charger delivers a powerful 48 ampere output, enabling fast and efficient overnight charging for most EV and PHEV models. It is compatible with all North American vehicles. The durable J1772 connector with a metal latch ensures a secure and ergonomic connection. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a smart app, users can control charging, set current levels, schedule off-peak charging, track energy usage, and receive remote updates for improved convenience and efficiency. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the EVIQO EVIPOWER Smart EV Charger, holster, wall-mounted brackets, installation tools, installation template, user manual, product overview, charging status indicator, signal status indicator, rear notch, charging cable, AC power cable. Installation. Attach the wall mount template to the wall and mark the positions of the mounting holes. Then remove the template and drill the 4 mounting holes with a diameter of 8 millimeters. After that, remove the wall mount bracket from the EV charger as well as from the holster. Securely fasten the EVIQO Smart EV Charger's wall mount bracket to the wall using the provided screws and adjustable ratchet wrench. Similarly, fasten the wall mount bracket for the holster. Align the rear notches of the EVIQO Smart EV Charger with the wall mount bracket and also align the rear notches of the holster with its wall mount bracket. Secure the anti-theft screws on both bracket sides using the provided Allen wrench, and then secure the anti-theft screw on the bottom of the holster using the same tool. Hang the cable over the holster and finally power up the EVIQO Smart EV Charger using the NEMA 1450 plug. Congratulations, you're ready to charge. Connection setup. Download the EVIQO app from Play Store or App Store and set up your account. Once you've set up the account, a flashing blue signal indicator indicates the EV charger is undergoing configuration. Select Add New Device. And please authorize Bluetooth access. To locate the new device, then put the EV charger and your phone close to one another and press Start. Your phone will initiate a search of the EV charger for pairing. Once paired, please make sure your Wi-Fi signal is really strong. Choose your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Put password and wait for every power to go online when it's successfully connected to the internet. Click on Setup Device. You can then specify device's name, its location, and your EV model for optimal performance. As soon as your new EV charger is online, it will automatically search for the latest firmware version and update itself over the air. During this process, it will briefly go offline as it needs to restore itself for the changes to take effect. So we're all set and ready to charge. How to use. Unplug the vehicle charge port by pressing the button on the charge handle. Then open the charge port door by pressing and holding the trunk button on the key fob. Insert the charge handle into the vehicle charge port. Check the vehicle controls to verify charging. To remove the charge handle from the vehicle, press and hold the button on the handle to unlock the charge port. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.